Morning, everyone. It's 8:40, and it's Friday the 13th, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1620 for this Friday morning. Asia and Europe slightly higher. Our futures down across the board. Um, when I came down, we started at minus about 240 in the Dow. It's been as bad as about 270. Last is down 251. NASDAQ is down 112, and that's pretty much where it was. It was down 105, then it was, down 114. Again, currently pretty much right on the money. S&P down about 36. It was down 31, 35, and 37. I waited to do this morning because we had December import X oil, export X grain, and nobody has said word one on it. The only thing that I have found is that import prices are up 0.4%, and they were expected to be down 0.8%. So I'm guessing that's not good news. Earnings all over the place, but universally bad action. JP Morgan beat range of 142 to 133 today, 135.33 down 407 or 3%. Bank of America beat, it's down 2.5%. Citi not so much, down $1.91 on 54% drop in investment banking. Wells Fargo beat, down $1.65 or 3.8%. UNH, not a bank, but a big flyer, 484, down 1075 or 2.2% on their beat. And a little bit of a shakeup at Virgin Galactic for management, and the street kind of likes it. 545 up 83 cents or 18%. You know, remember where that's been. Okay, chart on the screen is the S&P 500. In Sunday's letter, I told you I expected to see as high as 40.50. Yesterday's high, 40.21. And right now, even though it's an inside day, the last is pretty close to the low. The low is 39.61, so that's about $80 off yesterday's high. And the last is 39.63 and a quarter, and that is down 40. I want to make mention of one thing. Monday is Martin Luther King's Day. And the reason I mention it is because if you're looking at options on the buy side, you're going to lose 25% or 20% of the value of those options just because the options that expire on Friday have one less day, so 1 in 5. So if you're looking at option rights, that's a positive. If you're looking at option buys, the theta is going to come back and kick your ass. Okay, so gold about unchanged, but the silver is down about 30 cents. Let's just go back to the real world here. Okay, grains down, oil up a dime, but after the week it's had, that's still pretty decent. Heating oil unchanged, gasoline down a penny, nat gas down 8 cents, gold up $1.60 and down 30 cents, 29 cents in the silver. Copper giving back a little, down 4.5, but really continues to look great. In the softs, we have coffee lower, we have cotton lower, we have sugar unchanged, and we had the lumber yesterday solidly higher. This was trading at in the 360 area last week, I believe. Let's just take a quick look. Yeah. Uh, let's see. Last Friday, it closed at 368, and it's been up 4 days in a row. And the last is for 2020, up 17 more today. Bitcoin giving back a little bit of its gain, down 200, Ethereum down 29. The dollar is slightly higher because bonds are slightly lower. Bonds down about a half a point. The US dollar up 20 cents. All right, everyone, I'll be here all day, but expect it to get awfully dull this afternoon ahead of